It's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the headset volume when you're playing on your Xbox One. So if you have a party chat open up, this is very simple to do. You can press the Xbox guide button, tab on over to where it says Parties and Chats, and then you can start up a party, and then go into this screen where you can see the party, and then go on down to where it says Options right here, and scroll on down to Audio Settings. Now at the top, we have the option to adjust our headset volume. So we can increase it or decrease it under here. Then we can also do the same thing for the headset chat mixer. So if we go to the right, we'll hear our party a little bit more. If we go to the left, we'll hear the game sound more. Then we have mic monitoring, which will be your voice being picked up in your microphone and being played back in your headset speakers, so you can hear yourself talk. And sometimes that's a little bit nice, and then you can also hear some things in the background, so if someone is talking to you, they're not going to be completely muffled out. So go to this section and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.